To create a balloon-powered boat, gather a plastic container, a balloon, scissors, and a straw. First, cut a small hole in the container's end and insert the straw. This will direct the air from the balloon, providing propulsion. Next, blow up the balloon and securely pinch the end. Now, place the balloon opening over the straw, ensuring a tight fit. Release your grip on the balloon and watch as your boat zips across the water. This experiment showcases Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The air rushing out propels the boat forward, showing how action and reaction work in real life. Have fun exploring physics today.